Hi guys! Guess what time it is? Over the weekend we staged a house, and although I didn't get the video I wanted to, which would be us actually staging the house and talking about it, I still wanted to share it with you guys because it turned out pretty well. It was last Monday morning I got a phone call, and the woman on the other end had such a thick accent I could barely understand her. So after about 5 minutes I said, just give me the address and I'll meet you there in an hour. Well, what I usually do is I plug that address into the internet and look up the neighborhood, the size of the house, the price it last sold for, and any other information I can find out about it. Well, I found the house, and here's what I saw. Yeah, I know. I was a little scared, to say the least. Anyway, I went out to the house and I was pleasantly surprised. The house had been renovated from top to bottom. I thought it would be fun to show you guys the house before and after renovation, and then just a walkthrough of the house once it's staged. We're going to start with the room when you first walk in, the living room. And the only way you are going to recognize that room after renovation is if you keep your eye on where the fireplace is or was. Okay, here it comes. And after. All right, here comes the dining room. Keep your eye on that door to the right. I would say keep your eye on the windows, but they're covered with fancy drapes. And here it comes. Nice. There's that stairwell on the right, and on the left there is a nice reclaimed wood bar. All the way to the left is the kitchen, so let's take a look at that. Here's the before picture, and behind those vertical blinds that are actually behind the refrigerator is the other window, so keep your eye on the windows. Here comes the new kitchen. Bright white stainless steel, great kitchen. Oh, you know what I should have started with is the outside of the house, because originally this is the outside of the house that I saw before visiting. And although it's not so bad, it's a typical brick house, and in that entire neighborhood, brick houses everywhere. But here comes the new exterior. It's been whitewashed and the trim is painted black. In fact, the theme for the entire house is black and white. Let's see what else. Ooh, the bedroom. Okay, here's the original bedroom. I don't know what's happening with the back room. Maybe a retreat or something. So take a look at the doorway and the horizontal windows in the back. And presto changeo, we have a brand new bedroom with a beautiful barn door and a sign of those windows in the back, which is now a beautiful master bathroom. I do want to show you the basement because that was the area that scared me the most when I saw the pictures online. Here it is. That stairway on the left is now over on that white wall in the middle, and just keep your eye on the fireplace. And there it is, just like the fireplace upstairs and the stairwell on the left. Okay, we're done with renovation pictures. Let's get to what we did staging. I know it's hard to tell from these pictures that I've shown you so far, but there were a couple of challenges to staging this home, and most of that was size. The living room was limited because it was narrow in relation to the fireplace because the stairs were right next to it. So it had to be furnished in a way that we could get around that and actually use the stairs. And in front of the stairs was the dining area that was even smaller, especially if you want to put a dining table and bar stools. So I'll just tell you before showing you the staging that since the house was completely black and white, we added a pop of color, and I chose an aqua blue, just a little here and there. And since the dining area was so tiny, we put a glass table as to give the illusion that there is more room because you can see right through it. The bedroom was also small, so we sparsely furnished that. I'll tell you beforehand, just so you get an idea, this neighborhood is called Park Hill in Denver, and it's a very nice area, and it is being renovated everywhere. So this woman paid $478,000 for this home, renovated it, and now it's on the market for $769,000. Okay, without further ado, here is the house staged. So there you have it, a little short video on what the house looked like after it was staged. As you can see from the video, there aren't a lot of accessories like decor items placed throughout the house. And that's because this house was so nice and had such nice finishes. I just didn't feel like covering anything up with a bunch of tchotchkes. I saved that for the houses that really need it, which some do. Before I go, I wanted to let you guys know that Design Time has an Instagram account, and that is Design Time Co. Co as in Colorado. Right now I just have a bunch of pictures of spaces that I saw and absolutely loved, but very soon we will have pictures of stuff that we do together in Design Time videos. But for now, that's it on this video about staging a fix and flip. Did I mention it was a fix and flip? I think I forgot. I hope you liked the video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks so much for watching Design Time, guys. I'll see you next time on Design Time. There's so many possibilities with that name.